Hola! Welcome to Ms. Dennison's video on why you should choose Spanish as your elective for Creston next year. If you have not met me before, my name is Ms. Dennison, and I teach Spanish at Creston. And if you have any questions about what you hear or see in the video, please email me. My email address will come up a couple different times in the video. All right, let's get started. Why study Spanish at all? Not that many people speak Spanish, right? Okay, if you can dream it, you can do it. There are more people who speak Spanish than you think. More than 20 countries speak Spanish, and that is more than 559 million people. And actually, it's the fourth most spoken language in the world. So how many people would you be able to talk to if you knew Spanish? And how many more friends could you make? If you did not know, jobs pay you more money if you know Spanish or another language. So if you want more money in your future, learning a different language and starting with Spanish will be good for you. So why take Spanish in middle school? For Creston, you actually get high school credits for taking Spanish. So if you successfully complete both semesters of Spanish 1 with at least an 80%, you get 2 high school credits for Warren Central. This gives you opportunities. So this will actually give you the opportunity to take higher level Spanish classes, or give you the opportunity to take a different language when you get to high school. So you will then be multilingual and know 3 or more languages. What do we do in Spanish class? Well, we focus on speaking, reading, and writing the language. We start slowly with our speaking and build on vocabulary so we get confident before we start having conversations. By the end of the year, you'll be able to read about Spanish topics and be able to read on different topics in Spanish. And we just don't learn about the language, we also learn about many different Spanish-speaking countries and their cultures. So not just reading and speaking, we also learn how to write the language because that's equally important, and you will be able to write descriptions about yourself, your friends, and your family. Okay? If you want to use Spanish in the future, you could use your Spanish skills all around the world. In this picture, Costa Rica, you can travel and be able to communicate and not need a translator. This is Machu Picchu, located in Peru. And these are Iguazu Falls, located between 2 countries in South America. If you need a visual representation, I am a visual learner, every country that is highlighted has Spanish as one of its main languages. So every country that you see is a Spanish-speaking country. That is 33 million people know at least 2 languages all over the world. That's a huge number. Don't you want to be a part of that number? Why is it the easiest language, right? The 3 most easiest language to learn for English speakers are Spanish, Italian, and Portuguese. Spanish is the easiest because they all stem from Latin, but Spanish uses the same alphabet as English. Many of the letters are just pronounced differently, and the words are pronounced as they're spelled. Okay? I hope giving you more information from this little video will help you choose Spanish as your elective next year for Creston. Again, if you have any questions or would like to ask and see what goes on in the classroom, please email me at the email address at the bottom of the video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.